Alright, I've glued some foam in there and a canvas backing. So now I've got to stitch up where I've marked lines, hardly visible. And I'll get on that. Those will be the insets. We'll be getting black material for the rest of it. And we'll carry on. Okay. Got all the foam glued in on the bottom end. And the black panels are on. Now we're going to have to get into the piping, which is going to be fun because it's not a full-length item. I have to make it and make it in pieces, so I found a new way of making the seams so that they are invisible or relatively invisible, and we'll go through that. Okay, I'm using 2.67 mil weed whacker line for the core of my piping. Need a center mark so that I can line it up with the front of the upholstery. I think it would have been better for me to get a little bit more heat on that and straighten it out a bit better. because it's a bit of a fight as is. Anyway, I'll go through the other half and get back. There it is. Dang! Ran out of bobbin. There's quite probably a few of you wondering why I didn't do the side trim at the same time. Well, that's because this is basically my first time working with piping, and I don't feel that confident of covering up the piping while I try and find my way around the damn thing. So this is the way I'm going at it, and I know I'm going to have to cover it up on the other side to do it, but I guess I'll figure it out from there. Anyway, there's that on the top of the springs. Now I just got to do my skirt, figure out my skirt, and we'll carry on. Well, I got the skirt or apron or whatever you want to call it on. It was just as nasty as I figured it would be for sewing. It's definitely not perfect, but it doesn't look too bad. Oh, shit. Right now I'm just clamping it so it can stretch out, and then I can figure out how I'm going to tie it to this thing. Because I don't have the clips that was original, and I don't know where or if I can get them. So I'll have to figure something out. Okay, I made a bunch of clips out of lumber strapping, just metal lumber strapping. Were made a U shape. And nice snug fit there, and then take a pair of end nippers and give it a squeeze. And it won't come off. And I did hand stitch in this area and all corners. This I'm going to leave here. Just remove these because I don't have anything that's going to be that thick to get around that area, so that'll do just fine. And that's the upholstery part of it done. Have a good one. Bye now.